All right, now I'm going to show you how to find the zeros on the parabola. Again, you have to be able to see where the zeros are, so if you can't for some reason, you would need to change your window settings. All right, but we can see the zeros, so I'm going to go to Menu, I'm going to go to Analyze Graph, and then I'm going to go to Zero. I can only find one at a time, okay? One of my zeros is right here. So I'm going to go to the left of it, click, and then I'm going to go to the right of it and click, and there is my zeros. Notice that the ordered pair for the 0 has a 0 for the y value, not the x, -1, 0. Now on this one it's pretty obvious. It looks like this one is 3, but what if it's actually 2.9 or 2.75 or something like that? Okay, so this menu analyze graph helps us be very accurate. So I'm going to do the same thing, menu, analyze graph, number 1 for 0, and I'm going to go find this guy. I'm going to click to the left of him and to the right of him, and there it is at 3, 0, just as we suspected. So that's how you find the zeros from the graph.